Holding the relationship. Many couples live in patterns that have been practiced for years. It feels comfortable, cozy, and good. There is a certain satisfaction. Can the relationship stand up to this when the partner experiences beneficial and high energy experiences with an energetic healing partner outside of the relationship, as described in this book? If one's sweetheart is touched physically and emotionally by a person of the other polarity, where will it end? Will it work? And if we ourselves experience the same with another soul outside of our own relationship, what is it like? Can we incorporate this balancing freedom into our relationship, or do we find it too risky, preferring to maintain the status quo? Is the love in the relationship strong enough to open us up to more love in our lives? Can we share this experience with our life and love partner? Can we keep strengthening our relationship in this way as we both become more full of life, more fulfilled, and more open-hearted? Or does it ruin our relationship, and we wish for nothing more afterwards than not to have read this foolish book? After all, any experimentation with set and well-rehearsed rules can act like a kindling if the people involved are not completely ready for it inside. If only one soul is dishonest, the otherwise energetically healing experience collapses for all sides. Do we manage to restrain ourselves sexually even during a sensual energetic contact with another person, if we have agreed on this with the partner beforehand? And does the partner also manage it? What would happen if not? How would we deal with it? These are questions we usually ask ourselves in general in our relationships, even if someone is just looking for a badminton partner or theater friend outside the relationship. How bad is cheating? What does it do? How many times have we or our partners experienced it? How many years do many suffer from it afterwards? Can we prevent an unwanted affair, perhaps precisely because we are experiencing an energetic healing exchange with another loving soul, and this experience is fulfilling enough, even for the men who often biologically strive for more sexual closeness? It is usually more balanced if both partners can have the same experiences in parallel, and when later sharing them with each other, either remain particularly honest and open, or remain silent as previously agreed, because the partner may prefer not to learn any details. If both relationship partners want to take time for this, they can regularly experience together all the exercises and experiences that the partner has experienced outside. If we think we can't invest this time, then we should sell our TV at the latest now, cancel our blah blah magazine subscriptions, and stop playing time-consuming cell phone or computer games, unless they help us in our personal growth. Let's rather treat ourselves to a few hours of sensual energetic exchange with each other on a regular basis, as a new form of loving experience and feeling as a couple. In a romantic relationship, we do not need to focus predominantly on our own heart chakra with our love felt during the SEH experience, but we can consciously and lovingly give our partner all that we feel in our heart for him. Let's actively live our love with each other in this way. Let's not repress it. Let's let go of our old baggage. Let us forgive each other and let us feel gratitude for each other. A relationship lived in this way can withstand extended feelings of love from outside if all involved are honest and loving with each other. Let us always communicate and share our desires, ideas, and experiences honestly and lovingly. When a problem arises, let's talk about it together, just as we would with any other problem in our lives. If we do not do this together, a problem can become a drama. Therefore, please decide for yourself if your own relationship is strong and adult enough for external energetic experiences with other people. There are also relationships in which only one soul wants to experience SEH. The other one may not be interested or may lack time or possibilities. Let's deal with the situation as with all disagreements or divergent wishes and ideas. Let's find a solution that works well for both the partner and us. This too can only be discussed with loving, honest communication from the heart. Let us use this book as we wish, but above all to strengthen and harmonize our relationships. If there are still problems in the relationship, then both must seriously discuss with each other whether SEH can and may be a part of their lives, or whether both cannot yet bear it together. Maybe there is a compromise, only some things are allowed and others are not. Maybe only one particular energetic healing partner is unsuitable or threatening for the common relationship, and others are not. Maybe the relationship partner wants to choose the energetic healing partners for us, and we do the other way around for him. Let's experiment only if we dare to do so, because courage for self-responsibility is definitely part of the step-by-step change of the rules of an already existing relationship. Self-responsibility is the price and the other side of the coin of freedom. Self-responsibility means it can go well or it cannot go well. So it is with the contents in this book. Experience with them what you want, but please also take full responsibility for your actions. Taking self-responsibility for a broken marriage is a hard task and takes a long time to fully clear and heal. It usually feels easier to blame the outside world or your partner for what happened, even though we were in the middle of the human drama as the main actor. If you are experiencing acute difficulties in your love relationship, for whatever reason, it is better to seek a personal guide, coach or therapist as early as possible, who can clarify and perhaps also energetically assist and bring you back on a good course. Together you decide what is right and good for you. Inner growth and healing is the great adventure, the challenge, and the great opportunity in our relationships.